Livestock has been important in Kenya since times immemorial. The traditional way is to graze animals on natural vegetation. Livestock includes cows, goats and sheep, as well as rabbits. Recently, the dairy industry has grown in the highlands of East Africa. The cows may be grazed outside and milked in a parlor. Zero grazing is a new system of dairy cow management. In zero grazing, the cows are kept and fed on stalls. Zero grazing helps control feed quality and increases milk production. Collected manure can help improve soil quality. Zero grazing necessitates provisions for feeding cows in the dry season. During the rainy seasons, plenty of grass is available. Natural or improved stands can be harvested, dried and stored as hay. In December of 2011, Penn State provided a haymaking workshop for youth from the Children and Youth Empowerment Center in Nyeri. We found a promising design for a manual hay baler that we wanted to evaluate. Other manual baler designs include a box in which hay is packed by trampling, and a steel box with a lever and plunger to compact the hay. Our design is a continuous feed model made of wood to keep it light and affordable. A plunger pushes the hay into the compression chamber. The plunger shown here on its side is reinforced with metal braces and has guides which keep it from moving up and down. This is another view of the plunger guide. The plunger face was made of 2x4s connected using nails with the head cut off. On the back side of the plunger, a pivot rod for the lever is held in place by hardwood blocks. The compound fulcrum is connected to the lever about 1/3 from the bottom with a pivot rod. The baler has 4 dogs on the sides to keep hay from springing back when retracting the plunger. Dogs are installed in sideboards. The dogs are bolted through the sideboard and held by a compression spring. The dogs are pushed out when the plunger pushes hay into the compression chamber. Once past the hay, the dogs keep the hay from springing back when the plunger is retracted. An in-feed roller pushes the hay down into the chamber to avoid jamming the plunger. The compound fulcrum and plunger lever need to be constructed of dry hardwood to avoid breaking. Compression chamber adjustment with compression rods determines bale density. The plunger needs to be sturdy because it exerts great pressure at the end of its stroke. A string puller helps to tie up the bales. The string puller is used to pull the twine through the cleat openings to tie up the bale. Flakes of hay are fed and pushed into the compression chamber by the plunger. After a few adjustments, the hay baler works. Dense hay balers were made weighing 70 kg and more. Due to high demand,
The first sales of the season.
the hay bales were sold as soon as we made them. Our aim is to give the youth an opportunity to make their own income.